So as you can tell, we've had a lot of freezing cold nights. It's gone below zero, ice on the grass, that's not even frost, that's worse. So in my opinion, this is the best time. All those leaves, most of them have fallen, but the best time to get some easy compost. I like to put compost on any areas of my lawn that are more sandy than anything. So I mix this in. It'll be in the spring, obviously, but this is the easiest way to get that compost. So this is my compost bin, as you can see. Get my hand down in here. Look at that. Now that's good soil, and I don't have to pay anything for it. So I don't usually use the bagger on my lawnmower, which is over there, but I'm gonna bag it, and I have a mulch blade on my mower, so it'll chew it up good, which is better. It'll break down quicker, so come spring, I'll be ready to actually put this on areas where I need it. So I'm just gonna show you that, and before I do that, see how empty this thing is? Hope you can see that. The one side's kind of full. I mean, there's a little bit, but all of this is empty. These walls are about 2 feet tall. I'm gonna fill this thing up the best I can because the grass isn't growing that much more, but this is a perfect mix of carbon and nitrogen. So let's mix this up, show you how the mulch looks as is, as it comes out of the bag, and show you how the lawn looks because it's looking leafy. Very leafy. Take a little walk. All right, so leaves, more with the bag on it, and more leaves. Green is always cleaned off. But yeah, no fancy stripes, just back and forth, mulch this stuff up, throw it in the bin. Let's show you that. Let's go. So that's the first pass. So I'm just gonna go over it again, do a cleanup pass, get all of that stuff that I didn't pick up. I'll show you how much is in the compost bin now after I'm done doing this. And then yeah, honestly, this is the easiest way to get free compost that is amazing for your lawn. Anywhere that you got sand or anywhere that you think is lacking nutrients or anything, throw it down. It takes no effort. All you have to do is mow, which you're probably doing anyways. So clean this up, show the results. See you in a bit. All right, so as you can see, leaves are cleaned up, and for the minimal work, just make sure you guys have a mulching blade. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, make sure you have a mulching blade because you really do want to chew this stuff up because that means it'll break down a lot faster. So this is what I ended up with in the bin. As you can see. So I'll mix this together, just let it sit over winter. Come spring, I'm gonna have a good quality compost to put anywhere in my yard or in your garden if that's what you want to do with it. And it's gonna be nutrient rich, and it took nothing. You're gonna clean up your yard anyways. Now I've mixed up what I got off the lawn with the existing compost that I already had in here. So this is it, just stirred. Just take a pitchfork, makes it really easy, and you just keep turning it. Now, probably can't see, but over there by the wheelbarrow, I actually have grass clippings from the putting green, which are extremely rich in nitrogen because I pound that putting green with it all the time. So I will mix that in, and until the snow flies, this is what I'm gonna do to the yard. I'm just gonna pick them up, mulch them, put them in here. Then next spring, I'm gonna have a whole bunch of free soil that you didn't have to pay anything for, and all you have to do is mow your lawn, which you were gonna do anyways. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. Nothing crazy about it. easy to do. I hope you have the space to do it, and I recommend that you do. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the content. If you are, make sure you click the subscribe button to stay up to date with everything that I'm doing around here in the backwoods. Don't forget to hit that like button. See you guys in the next one.